of my jacket. Work hard and I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came and you know how to stack it. Don't take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, then you asked out. No Unc real, how to put an E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride? 2018, it was me and Big Corey. Flowing through the city, Teddy Coop, true story. Niggas rats, they be singing like Tory. They was real, but the niggas not for me. Wanna see me shine, tryna steal my glory. Nigga going crazy, it's hard to ignore me. Bitch bad, but she starting to bore me. Got 100 more, they waiting for me. Ike me down, I'm with the barrier sweater. Off-white kicks, I don't match and I'm clever. Fuck a price, I get it, whatever. Say you had twins, nigga, send them whichever. Catch a vibe, I'm wavy as ever. Spend a bag, no saving my cheddar. Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Give a fuck by the nigga I never had. Said I give a fuck by the nigga I never. Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Spend a bag, no saving no cheddar. Big G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard and I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came and you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, then you asked out. No Unc real, how to put an E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride? Summer's coming, know the block is hot. Give a fuck if it's dark or not. They shooting niggas over parking spots. Ain't pressed about it, we'll connect the dots. To the breakdown, we don't talk to cops. Give a fuck about if he was wrong or not. These niggas fake, these niggas talk a lot. So I gotta stay low, gotta get the guap. They pop shit, these niggas corny, they kettle. Break them down, no you know I can't settle. Family matters, baby heavy like metal. All gas, got my foot on the pedal. Number 9 G's, bread force cause they stack nice. iPhone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed if the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on act like. iPhone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed if the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on act like. G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard and I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came and you know how to stack it. Don't take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, then you asked out. No Unc real, how to put an E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride?
Going fast, yeah, I'm going fast, yeah. This time I hope that it will last, yeah. Yeah, you better not get too attached. My money been getting fat. From my bro, we can all like, yeah. We make it hot summer, and we make it hot like a sauna. Pull on my D, she gon' suck it like Lana. My bitch a G, she be rockin' that Prada. So much money that I just be bringing in. If you want that money, you can't care about fitting in. Tony Montana, yeah, this is my world. Dark skin bitch with some curls. Don't believe in what you heard. You just gotta trust my words. Yeah, I'ma fly you out to Spain. Baby, you my main. These other rappers say what they claim. Now I'm tapping about the money that they make. Labels be taking their money, they ain't getting paid. They some goofies, see I got what it takes. Still I ain't take no breaks. Goofies ain't getting no money, I cannot relate. And I'm working for myself, little baby, I cannot be late. Big spending, money on me, big penning. You be irrelevant while I've been trending. Cars in my videos, yeah, they been rented. Don't go to cap to create no image. Skirt off the lot, windows tinted. SUV all black, going fast. Fast, yeah. This time I hope that it will last, yeah. Yeah, you better not get too attached. My money been getting fat. From my bro, we can all like, yeah. We make it hot summer, and we make it hot like a sauna. Pull on my D, she gon' suck it like Lana. My bitch a G, she be rockin' that Prada. So much money that I just be bringing in. If you want that money, you can't care about fitting in.
Right, look how I'm rockin' this shit. Instagram followers, they keep climbing, that's it, they think that I'm poppin' this shit. I'm finna go and relocate on regular days. Where we going, I'm poppin' in it. And she so upset, she think about me every day. Lose all my oxygen shit, cause I'm still the richest nigga in her memory bank. I could put on my block with this shit. Niggas be where I swear these niggas stay actin' straight. Make me pull up my Glock in this bitch. Up in this bitch, no TNT, I'm blowing this brain. I been really like this my whole life. See, for sure, girl, this shit is right in the game. Baby, this shit getting heavy, so I cannot chill with these lanes. Throw out the body, switching the lane. Pride in that lane with some new Louis frames. Cost 30 to walk, it cost 50 to save. Was Zendaya and Bella, I treat them the same. Treat them hoes like a yacht or Bugatti. Show them off and park them out in the lobby. XDM like the bitch I got. I got a new hoe, say the fuck on my body. I got 30 for sure, ain't no hoe on my body. Tryna be sober, no drugs in my body. But I'm taking drugs and they fucking me up. She ain't gon' take over my body. Nocturnal was night, but I'm just waking up. So tired, you not go pretend with me. Watch your tone and the text that you send. How you go from my friend to my fucking arch enemy.
Going fast, yeah, I'm going fast, yeah. This time I hope that it will last, yeah. Yeah, you better not get too attached. My money been getting fat. From my bro, we can all like, yeah. We make it hot summer, and we make it hot like a sauna. Pull on my D, she gon' suck it like Lana. My bitch a G, she be rockin' that Prada. So much money that I just be bringing in. If you want that money, you can't care about fitting in.
You've been stuck in my head, and girl, I really wanna talk now. Chill at your place, but every day you will walk out. Okay, cool, can we calm down? Anger inflates, slapped in the face with your palm. I don't know what to do when it's late and I'm tired. And you're on my mind, take a hit to feel higher. Text you again when I'm feeling inspired. I recognize I'm reigniting a fire. Hey, what you wanna do with me? I heard you telling everybody that you cool with me, but like you never text back every night. Relapse on the pain, but you never let your parents see that. Now you stuck in a cycle of fuck-ups and jealousy. In my live stream, hit me up just to yell at me. Wow, think of the times you were hesitant. Thoughts about me, hope you know they're indefinite.
Anybody that's wondering what my mind is, that shit's just solitary confinement. Open-minded, but my mind's been lost and I'm really just trying to find it. Yeah, we're magnets, just trying to manage attraction. Damage and shattered to fragments. Love like a spiral, I'm just trying to catch it, but I guess I suck and I just need some practice. And I'm wishing I could rip you out my head like my hair. Yeah, if I was dead, would you even care? If I had a funeral, would you be there? Sometimes I wonder what colors you'd wear. Will you move on and tell yourself that you're strong, while you let me fade as I'm dead and I'm gone? Will you hold it down till you meet me in God? saw through the lines. Growing up, I thought that life would be fine. Now I'm just watching as everything dies.
Maybe it cost this, it's all for me. Walking through the straight line. Shit don't matter, we just walking through memory. Maybe I'm nauseous. Maybe it cost this, it's all for me.
Yeah, I still get so messed up just thinking of you. The pain in my chest got me feeling so used. I put on a mask, but I wish it was true. My darling, why did it end so soon? Yeah, I still get so messed up just thinking of you. The pain in my chest got me feeling so used. I put on a mask, but I wish it was true. My darling, why did it end so soon? Why did it end so soon?
And I don't ever wanna keep running, I don't wanna keep living inside a maze. I'm fighting my chest and the demons inside of my mind, hoping that one day you'll change. I've been lost in a world full of people that don't even care if I'm drowning inside of my pain. And the more that I think about you when I'm mourning, the more that I realize they're one and the same. I've been stuck in a cold place, I miss the days when we talk more. Yeah, that was hard with a heartbreak. Every day in my head pours. If I'm losing connection, you're losing affection. It's hard to complain when I'm typing a message. You know I still love you, that's why I've been stressing. It hurts me to know